Have you ever noticed that sometimes your car behaves strange? Yes, now. Or maybe you think the car is having some kind of spiritual problem. How can a car you drive from point A down to point B for the car now to take you to point C because you just stepped out from the car to buy or to purchase something? The car will refuse to start. Either the car refuses to start or the car will start laughing at you or the car will just be adamant, no lights coming up. It has happened to you, huh? All right. Now there are few things that will cause this issue. Now the few things I will mention is one, check your battery. Now in most cases it could be as a result of parasitic drain where you park your car over the night or over the period of time you park the car. Something is draining or is draining out the juice from your battery, leaving you with nothing to power on the car. So after checking out the battery, if the battery is well to do, the next thing to check is your kickstarter. Sometimes you try to start the car, it might not be the battery, it could be the kickstarter. What you need to do is to check the kickstarter properly or check the fuse. Electrically, you check the fuse. After checking the fuse, if it is not the fuse, or sometimes if it is cranking normally, but it is not starting, you check your fuel pump. Maybe the fuel pump will be supplying fuel, but is the pressure enough to start up the car? No, that is to say you check the fuel pump. But if the pressure is okay, the next thing for you to do is to check your ignition system. Check if there is power to the spark plug or if there is a signal opening the injector and supplying fuel to the combustion chamber. So these are the few things that I will be leaving with you in case you are having any issues of starting or any difficulty in car starting. I believe you find this video educative. Peace.